Here are some Google tips and tricks. I bet most of you don't know about this one, okay? Now, if you come to your Google Chrome, okay, not just only Google Chrome, even if it's Mozilla, even if it's Explorer, or any browser at all, okay? If you go to google.com, all right, this is google.com. You go to google.com. Why am I showing King Studio 360? I made a video. I'm going to put it at the end of this video. For those of you that wants to learn how to change your Google write-up in your Google Chrome browser or any browser, Google Chrome especially. You want to change it to your company's write-up or your personal name. Okay, mine is King Studio 360. Google will not be showing there. If you want to know how to do it, I've made a video about that, okay? You can ask for that video, all right? Now, here are some Google tricks and tips that I'm going to show you in this video. If you go to google.com and come to this browser where you search for anything and type 6767, okay, and click on enter. This is what is going to happen to your Google page. It's going to dance, okay, but most of us are not aware of this. Once you type 67 is there, just hit enter and it's going to read and the page is going to dance. That is the number one trick that happens in google.com that most people don't know. I'm going to share 3 more tips, code that you can type in Google, and it's going to do some other things. Now, the next one is if you go to your Google, this same search area, and type Asugha, ASKEW, small or capital letter, and hit enter, your Google page is going to slant one side. Okay? Your Google page is going to slant one side. This, you can do this in your laptop. You can also do this in your Android phone. You can also do this in your iPhone, any kind of phone. Once you go to google.com and type any of this command, even as I'm talking to you guys right now, you can just go to google.com and type 67. You notice that the page is going to dance. And if yours dance, please make sure you drop in the comment section the name of your phone or the name of your laptop if yours danced or if yours did not dance. Okay? Now, this is the second one, Asugha. All right. Now, the third one that I'm going to share with you guys is if you go to google.com, this same search page, and type do a barrel roll. Okay? And click on enter. Your page is going to rotate 360. Even mine did it twice. Okay? Enter. 1, 2. So it's going to rotate 360 twice. Okay? So you can also, this can also happen in your phone, any kind of phone, or in your tablet, or anything that you use that you can use to access google.com. All right. So this is the third one. And the last but not the least is if you go to your this same search area in your google.com and type DVD space screen saver and click on enter. This Google here, this King you're seeing here is going to start moving all around the page, okay, in front of your screen, inside this page. It's not going to be happening if you minimize this page, but once you leave this page open, it will keep moving around. It will keep hovering around your browser screen, whether it's in your Chrome, whether it's in your Mozilla Firefox, whether it's in your Explorer, or any kind of browser that you use to type this DVD screensaver, is going to keep hovering around. Why you're saying Kings is because I've programmed my browser to be showing only King Studio. So the Kings is what is moving. If it's Google, Google is what will be moving. If your name is there, that your name or your company name will be the thing that will be moving all around the browser screen. Okay, so please, I would like you guys that are watching this video to try any of this code and drop in the comment section which one worked in your phone Android or iPhone, and which one worked in your laptop. Okay, so I would like to hear from you guys the kind of phone you use and if it worked or not. If you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asugha Kingsley, and this video was helpful. Make sure you like and make sure you follow for more tips like this. I'll see you guys in my next video.